Well, hey there, this is Tony. Welcome to Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. I'm here at Ira Berry Lodge number 128 in Blue Hill, Maine, as you can see right there. This is actually also Independent Order of Odd Fellows, is what that is, and they meet at this same building. I'm about to go in and take a great big nasty tour of this lodge, and hopefully you'll come along with me, because I'm just out here living the coolest life, Masonic Edition. Well, I'm inside, so that's a good thing. And boy, let me tell you one thing. That's a steep set of stairs. It's two. It is every bit as steep as it looks. It's one of the steeper sets I've ever been up, especially in a lodge. So this is this building is actually, an IOOF is actually an Odd Fellows building, and the lodge actually rents space from them. So this is their waiting area here. We got some really cool large benches. But I'm gonna turn this thing around and we're ready to go inside. The first thing I noticed is the pocket doors with the hole in there. And here you see the senior warden's desk. It's really nice. And you see a truncheon. Notice there's no caps on the ends of these. They've also still got a lot of the Odd Fellows items that are still around the room, as you can see right there. You got some really nice lithographs up on the walls. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Oh, that's because it's Odd Fellows. Huh, no wonder. That'd be a good reason. The room is fairly empty, but we're about to get started with the meeting. And you see I still have some more Odd Fellows items. I'm probably going to do an Odd Fellows video as much Odd Fellows items are in this room. But here's definitely a Tyler's sword. Got a G on it. I don't think I've seen one with a G. There's a Masonic logo on it. Right there. Alright. It's always good to see. Definitely a different array of pews. We've got the velvet here, one without, some registers. Don't know if this building is air conditioned or not. My guess is probably not, but because right now it's just a cool day. It's like it's less than 70 degrees outside. Do want to show you the ballot box. You know me, I'm a fan of ballot boxes. So this one opens up like that. You don't see a lot of these that open in this direction, and then you would pick up whatever you needed, whether it be not the black cube, but that's pretty black. But you would drop it in here in that receptacle, and you would see the vote come out here. So both of these are like that. Of course, I just turn them around because right here it's easy to grab onto and carry it. The Odd Fellows may use the exact same thing. And here's where the master would sit. As a matter of fact, I was him. He just jumped out of the chair. You have an Odd Fellows logo up there. And the Masonic G there. And his older chair here with the column. You see the rough ashlar? There should be a smooth one somewhere. There's the secretary. Looks like they've got a sword up there, probably commemorating a past grandmaster is my guess. Probably what that is. And so this is the junior warden's area here. You can see he's got the same type truncheon. There's no caps, nothing fancy about it. But it's sturdy. It's a good size too. It's about 14 inches tall. And that seat could use some TLC, but it's definitely in good condition. And we've got a large. I like the extra columns here. You can see the columns have got spaces. Doesn't necessarily match the others, but and of course they got a standard cornucopia there.
Charlie, right? Yeah.
And take a look at this ceiling. The ceiling is real nice.
David Brody.
In great condition. The lesser lights are about ready to a degree, so therefore they're going to have their lesser lights out here. And you also notice that the color of the candles are actually red, white, and blue. And they've got a holder here for the staff. And they got a kneeling board here and one on the other side. But you can see this is a traditional Bible. We have these in our lodges in Georgia, and so we will. That's what we'll do. We use that Bible just like that. It's really a good looking room. So if you ever get a chance to visit these brothers at this lodge, you definitely want to come down and see them. Food was excellent. They had some ladies here cooking. Of course, the food's always good when the ladies cook. Hint, hint, ladies. We love it when you cook. Please cook more. But really, really neat. But you want to visit these brothers. It's definitely on the 3rd floor. You can ride the escalator that they have there, or you can take the stairs. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and send this to your other brothers, especially Masonic brothers. Maybe they'll come by and visit too when they're down here in Blue Hill, Maine. You never know, because you are now leading the coolest life, Masonic edition.